My name is Vasil, and I drive BMW E46 M3. The car that I bought was a HPD prepared car, E46 BMW M3, and then I started to build it. My favorite track is probably Watkins Glen. I believe it's one of those fast-flowing, long, enjoyable fast tracks. And I believe this car is awesome at that track. Oh, there was a big dent on my side of the car, so that was fixing the modification. But I believe that since we fixed the car about 2 years ago to the level it is right now, it was purely the maintenance. So I was lucky just to continue with the maintenance items on the car, like shark springs, this and that, but otherwise no modification major. How did I get into racing? Always was passion, always was a dream, and just pushed it hard and I got in. The work that has been done on my car, probably too many to list. The most important result is the sack aesthetic shape of the lap times. I'm comfortable with Hugh because he's not pushing. High speed actually has this very nice way of making you comfortable with the work they do. Not too much information, not too little of information, just enough for you to be comfortable and safe in your car and push it hard. So, and I believe that's the best combination. Usually when we are at the track, as a bunch of us, his customers, we have great support from him, coaching, little things here and there. I don't think we would complete our weekends properly without him being here. That's the The important part in the relationship with your mechanic that supports your car is to make him a friend or become a friend. And then that relationship will not be customer and a mechanic type of relationship. Is going to be friendship. And once you build the friendship, once you build the love of sport, and your car is going to be perfect and he's going to give you 100%, about 100% of what needs to be done. So build that friendship with your mechanic. This winter probably going to work with you to understand what exactly is needed, how to shape another half a second here and there, and we'll have a plan for sure. My long-term goals with racing: enjoy it every single day of racing. That's the most important. Win a couple of more plastic trophies. They are important too. And have a perfect car.